Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add secondary email address to Shopify. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and log in your account, and then you click in your username and then manage account. After that you click security, and then you see here secondary email, add secondary email. Just click here, then just type here your secondary email and then enter your Shopify password. After that just confirm, click here, add secondary email. This is what you need to do if you want to add secondary email address to Shopify. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.